Sorting and grouping. Count the pictures and write the numbers in the boxes given below. Let us now count the different pictures. Let us count the kettles. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 kettles in all. Now let us count teapots. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 teapots in all. Now let us count juice glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 juice glasses in all. Let us count the jugs. 1, 2. There are 2 jugs in all. So finally we have 3 pictures of kettles, 4 pictures of teapots, 5 pictures of juice glasses, and 2 pictures of jugs.